Here is a 15-step ultimate guide for beginners on e-commerce platforms with AI personalization in 2024. Step 1. Understand AI personalization. AI personalization is a technology that uses machine learning and data analysis to create personalized shopping experiences for customers. It analyzes customer behavior, preferences, and demographics to provide tailored recommendations, product suggestions, and targeted marketing. Step 2. Choose an e-commerce platform. Select an e-commerce platform that supports AI personalization, such as Shopify, Magento, or BigCommerce. Ensure the platform is scalable and has good integrations with other tools and services. Step 3. Set up customer data collection. Collect customer data by setting up forms, surveys, and cookies to gather information about customers' preferences, purchase history, and browsing behavior. Step 4. Integrate AI personalization tool. Integrate an AI personalization tool such as IBM Watson, Salesforce Einstein, or Acquia Lift into your e-commerce platform. This will help you analyze customer data and make predictions about their behavior. Step 5. Define personalization goals. Define your personalization goals such as increasing conversions, improving customer satisfaction, or reducing cart abandonment rates. Step 6. Create a segmentation strategy. Create a segmentation strategy to group customers based on their demographics, behavior, and preferences. This will help you create targeted marketing campaigns and product recommendations. Step 7. Set up product recommendations. Set up product recommendations based on customer behavior, purchase history, and preferences. Use algorithms like collaborative filtering or content-based filtering to suggest products. Step 8. Implement content personalization. Implement content personalization by using customer data to customize product descriptions, images, and videos. Use natural language processing, NLP, to analyze customer feedback and sentiment. Step 9. Use chatbots and conversational commerce. Use chatbots and conversational commerce to provide personalized customer support and assistance. Use machine learning algorithms to analyze customer interactions and improve chatbot responses. Step 10. Optimize product listings. Optimize product listings by using AI-powered product recommendations to highlight best-selling products, new arrivals, and related products. Step 11. Create targeted email marketing campaigns. Create targeted email marketing campaigns using customer data and segmentation. Use machine learning algorithms to analyze customer behavior and predict their likelihood of converting. Step 12. Analyze performance metrics. Analyze performance metrics such as conversion rates, revenue growth, and customer satisfaction to measure the effectiveness of your AI personalization strategy. Step 13. Continuously refine and improve. Continuously refine and improve your AI personalization strategy by collecting feedback from customers, analyzing data insights, and updating your algorithms and models. Step 14. Integrate with other tools and services. Integrate your AI personalization tool with other tools and services such as CRM systems, marketing automation software, and social media platforms. Step 15. Monitor compliance and security. Monitor compliance with data privacy regulations such as GDPR and CCPA, and ensure the security of your customer data by implementing robust encryption and access controls. By following these steps, you can implement AI personalization in your e-commerce platform in 2024 and provide a seamless and personalized shopping experience for your customers.